So this is us arriving at the gig. First things first, and open up the trailer. Lights come on. Start getting the drum set out and the PA out. Stacking stuff up, getting the stage all ready to go. Figuring out where chords go. Getting the main set up. Getting the monitor set up. Sean doing his thing. Starting to get the lights set up. Things are starting to power up. Soon we'll start checking the drums, start making some real noise. There he goes. Seeing how things are going to go for the rest of the night. Start checking some drums. Here we go. Getting the bass tuned up, getting the guitar tuned up. Mikey's over there checking the PA. Fist bumps. And here we go, race fans. The evening has begun.